In the movie Interstellar, astronauts land on a strange planet near a black hole, and something unbelievable happens. 1 hour on that planet equals 7 years on Earth. When they return to their spaceship, decades have already passed. Modern physics calls this phenomenon time dilation. The idea that time does not move at the same speed everywhere in the universe. But here is the real question. What if this idea was written in India thousands of years ago? Deep inside the ancient Hindu text known as the Bhagavata Purana, there is a mysterious story. It is the story of a king named Kakudmi. King Kakudmi ruled a magnificent kingdom long ago. He had a daughter named Ravati. She was wise, beautiful, and extraordinary. But the king faced a difficult problem. He could not find a husband worthy of her. So he made an impossible decision. He would travel beyond Earth to seek advice from the creator of the universe. King Kakudmi traveled to the celestial realm of Brahma. In Hindu cosmology, Brahma resides in a divine world called Brahmaloka. When King Kakudmi arrived there, something unexpected happened. Brahma was listening to a divine musical performance by celestial beings. The king decided to wait respectfully until the music ended. The performance lasted only a few moments in that heavenly realm. When the music ended, Kakudmi approached Brahma and explained his problem. He asked Brahma to help him choose the perfect husband for his daughter. Brahma listened quietly. Then he smiled. Brahma revealed something that completely changed the king's understanding of time. While Kakudmi had been waiting in Brahmaloka, time on earth had moved differently. In fact, 27 Chaturyugas had already passed. That is not years. That is not centuries. That is millions of years. Entire civilizations had risen and fallen. The kingdom Kakudmi once ruled no longer existed. Everyone he had ever known was gone. His entire era had vanished, and yet for him only a few minutes had passed. Centuries later, the physicist Albert Einstein introduced the theory of relativity. Einstein discovered that time is not constant. Time can slow down depending on gravity and speed. This effect is known as time dilation. Astronauts traveling near a black hole could experience time very differently from people on Earth, exactly like the scenario in Interstellar. But surprisingly, the ancient story of King Kakudmi describes a very similar idea, a realm where time flows at a completely different rate, where minutes can equal millions of years. Was this simply mythology, or were ancient thinkers exploring ideas far beyond their time? The Vedas and Puranas are filled with stories about cosmic cycles, vast timelines, and multiple dimensions. Concepts that modern science is only beginning to explore. Maybe these ancient texts were not just stories. Maybe they were attempts to understand the deepest mysteries of the universe. And maybe Einstein was not the first to imagine time travel. If you want to explore more mysteries, where ancient Indian wisdom meets modern science, subscribe to Geomystic India